Hi guys, welcome to Cozy Home. Today I have a satisfying clean with me. I hope you guys get lots of motivation, and if I helped you guys get up to clean and make your home cozy, please let me know in the comments below. And if you can, hit that like button and also subscribe to my channel. Let's go ahead and get started cleaning. If you're new, hi, my name is Jacqueline and I'm so glad that you decided to come and check out my channel. I hope that you like it and that you get tons of motivation. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and let me know that you're here watching so we can get to know each other. The other day, I was reading the book, The Life-Changing Magical of Tidying Up by Marie Kondo, and I was thinking to myself, like, I want my home to be cozy. I've always wanted my home to be that way, and I haven't been feeling that, especially now that the kids are teenagers and their personalities are definitely came out more and they're more outspoken. And our house has just been really chaotic with people being frustrated with each other. And to me, I've always get stressed out when my house is dirty and everything. So I was thinking, so I'm kind of on this new journey, and I hope you guys join me on this journey, and I'll tell you guys about it. So on my journey, I want to make my home feel more cozy. And cozy to me means a comfortable living place, relax with a warm touch, and I wanted to make sure that my family and friends feel relaxed and also have good vibes. So one of the things that I noticed is when my house is clean and free of declutter, this makes me feel more secure and confident. So if you guys are looking for a cozy home, please subscribe to my channel and we could do this journey together, my friend. I know you guys are probably think I'm crazy always asking about the weather, but I'm just so in love with the fall season. Right now it's just so sunny and we have a light breeze that is coming through, so I had opened up my windows today and I just enjoy the sunlight coming into my house. So you're gonna see lots of brightness in this video. I apologize for that, but when it happens, you just have to open it up and get that fresh air and sunshine, and it made me so happy today. I was just so relaxed. I got so much stuff done. I end up doing this video, and I also did a collaboration that is coming up too, so I'm just so excited about it. So today I'm focusing more on vacuuming my floors because we have a lot of cable hair, and also dusting has been neglected in the last week, so I definitely need to be doing some of that, and then I'm just gonna end up just tidying up the rest of the house. I hope you guys do enjoy this video. Let me know down below if you are enjoying this, and if you guys are on this journey with me. I'm probably going to be doing some decluttering because I've been reading the book and everything. I just needed a change. I think I'm at that stage of life where I need a change of something, and I think decluttering will be the key to happiness. The other day I was watching my video and I didn't explain to you guys what I was doing with my throw blanket underneath the coffee table. So the cool thing about this coffee table, it came with some blanket latches things that you could hide your blankets. So that's what I'm doing. I'm showing you guys right here. This will be a cool DIY to add to your guys' coffee table if your coffee table will allow this.
So small, watch the clock ticking off the wall, but tonight I'm letting it go, spend my coin for sure.
So this TV stand slash buffet that we have right here is one of our very first furnitures that we have purchased together. So my husband doesn't want me to get rid of it, but I do like the wood color from this thing. But I'm at the point where I'm thinking about painting it. I'm not for sure. We do have some scratches, and the mark down on this bottom shelf is actually from a glow stick. So the kids were toddlers and Jean had put one down on there and it ruined it. So make sure you guys just don't use glow sticks in the house unless you want to have your furniture ruined, because that was a mistake with us, because we were just allowing them to play all over the place. It ended up being on my brown couch. It was all over the place, guys. But yes, sorry I got off topic there. But yeah, I was thinking about doing like a white color just to kind of match with all my other stuff. But I do kind of do like the dark brown wood it has, the wood tone it has, but I'm not for sure. What do you guys think? Should I leave it like my husband says to do it, or should I go ahead and DIY it? My essential oil that I am using is from Deterra, and it's On Guard. I'm using this one because the season is starting to change. We're starting to get some sniffles and coughs, and this is really good to clean the air. It also helps boost your immune system. So that's one of the reasons why I like using the On Guard here in the house.
Drive a faster car. I'm gonna be myself. I'm gonna be someone else. I'm gonna be myself. I'm gonna be someone else. I'm gonna skip my breaks. I'm gonna make mistakes. I'm gonna skip my breaks. I'm gonna make mistakes. I'm gonna be myself. I'm gonna be someone else. I'm gonna be myself. I'm gonna be someone else. I'm gonna skip my breaks. I'm gonna make mistakes. I'm gonna skip my breaks. I'm gonna make mistakes. Try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars. I wanna break me.
If you guys are enjoying this video and you're getting tons of motivation, please hit that like button and also subscribe to my channel. That would help my channel out so much.
One step forward and another back. I would never try to fool ya. I'm one heartbeat away from going mad. Girl, when you're looking like that, closer, I'ma get closer to you. Yeah, got me, baby, got me hooked on you once again. Girl, I need you. How many times do I wanna yell? 'Cause we could be so complete. Baby, I'll never want anyone new. I was on your bed when you undressed. Baby, when I pulled you in and felt your breath, then I knew the girl I need you. Smiling like that, I could never resist it. Smiling like that, I could never resist it. Smiling like that, I could never resist it. Every moment is another chance. Loving you is all I wanted. I'm wide open for a love affair. Girl, when you're looking like that, closer, I'ma get closer to you. Yeah, got me, baby, got me hooked on you once again. Damn, girl, I need you. How many times do I wanna yell? 'Cause we could be so complete. Baby, I'll never want anyone new. I was on your bed when you undressed. Baby, when I pulled you in and felt your breath, then I knew the girl I need you. Smiling like that, I could never resist it. Smiling like that, I could never resist it. Smiling like that, I could never resist it. Smiling like that, I can never resist it.
It's starting to get a little warm here in the house, so I'm gonna go ahead and pull up my hair and finish up these dishes.
How many times do I wanna yell? 'Cause we could be so complete. Baby, I'll never want anyone new. I was on your bed when you undressed. Baby, when I pulled you in and felt your breath, then I knew the girl I need you. Smiling like that, I could never resist it. I need you, baby. I need you, baby. I was on your bed when you undressed. Baby, when I pulled you in and felt your breath, then I knew the girl I need you. Smiling like that, I could never resist it.
Tonight we're running on the right track. I know we never gonna look back. Oh, I just wanna have a good time. Call me whatever, 'cause I'm up for anything like that.
This China hutch has been gone through so much. Do you guys think I should retouch it up with paint, or should I just go ahead and leave the chip paint and scuff marks on here? I've had this China cabinet for quite a few years now. It was my second DIY project that I had done. I first was using this as a grooming cabinet where it was holding all my grooming supplies, and then when we moved into this home, I'm not able to have our grooming station, my grooming station that I do for the dogs. So we didn't have enough cabinet space for our dishes and food, so I went ahead and donated it to the dishes. I think I'm in a mood to do some type of DIY because I keep talking about it. I'm gonna have to come up with a project now.
flashlight, the blanket, and the mat. It's a real adventure, the trail you're looking at. I'm glad you came for a while, I thought you might be bailing. Is that the same yellow shirt you used to wear?
Guys, my little palm plant that my husband had got me, it totally died on me. Me and my husband, well, it was more my husband, not me, had stuck it outside during the summertime, thinking it needed some more sunlight because it was turning really brown and starting to not do so lovely here in the house. So we thought it needed more sunlight. But it was such a hot day that we think that it kind of cooked it. I don't know. I don't know anything about plants, guys. I'm learning. So I feel bad that it died on me. You guys probably think my flooring is crazy, and I 100% agree with you guys. The original part of the house has the natural wood flooring that it came with it, but he only has stained the front half and the hallway, and it actually has all different colors of stain, so that's why you're seeing different things. And then the back of the house isn't built on to this 1950s Cape Cod, so that's why my floorings look crazy. Okay guys, I am totally done cleaning. I am totally exhausted. How about you guys? Did you guys clean along with me? If you did, leave me a comment below. I hope you guys got tons of motivation with this clean with me. If you did, please hit that like button and leave me a comment below letting me know. And if you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel and also turn on the notification so you're able to know when I post my new videos. And I'll see you guys next time, and I hope you guys have a great day. Bye.